Hello, welcome to question number 40, the last one on the section A, BECE 2025. The next episode will be on the section B. So we have, it costs a carpenter 25 cedis to make a chair. How much should it be sold to make a profit of what? 40%. We can solve this in various ways. Let's have a recall. If I want to think about selling price, cost price, and where we have a profit. But let's see, this is the cost price. So let me say cost price equals to 25 cedis. What again is giving? Profit percent. So I can have profit percent as what? 40. So if I want to do a recall, I know that selling price is equals to cost price plus profit, but not profit percent. So if I am looking for selling price, I just need to know what the profit is. And we can find the profit in two ways, if I want to put it that way. The profit is always, the profit can be the 40%. It is the 40% of the cost price. That's the profit. This 40% is actually 40% of the 25. So I can say that profit is equals to the 40% of the cost price, which is going to be 25 Ghana cedis. Remember, if you cancel, okay, let's say this 4 multiply this 100. 100 times 10, that is what? 1,000 divided by 10. That will give you, divided by 100, will give you only 10 Ghana cedis. So the profit incurred in terms of money is going to be what? 10 cedis. That implies that the selling price, how it should be sold, is the cost price plus the profit made, which in total will give you 35 cedis. So this is what you're looking for, the selling price. We have gotten the selling price already. We can say that this is our selling price of what? 35. Now that is just one aspect. Now we can also say that if I know profit percent, let's say alternatively, remember profit percent is profit over cost price times what? 100. In order to find the profit from here, because profit percent is given, this is given. So if you cross multiply, it is going to be this times this, which is the 40 times 25 Ghana cedis equals to 100 times what? P. Dividing both sides by the 100, we still have P equals to what? 10 Ghana cedis. So you go back and add it to that, and that will give you the final answer. Or we can say that the selling price is always equivalent to what? Increment in the percentage. So let's say I put it here. Let me have a space here. I can say that cost price is equivalent to 100%. Then the selling price is also equivalent to the increment in the percentage. Since there's a profit, there is an increment. So I can say that if 100 is giving me 25 Ghana cedis, then 140 should be giving me more than this. So if more, let's divide 140, then let's say, then 140 will give you 140 over 100 times what? 25. Let me see. This will cancel this. I still have 2 here, 5. 2 here, 7. 5 here, 1. 5 will go here 5 times. 5 times 7 will also give you what? 35 Ghana cedis. So we can pick it as a how do you call it? Percentage approach, and combine with what? Ratio and proportion. Or we follow through with the concept we already know. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.